Open Preza Simulation Development Environment. Built-in Perfect Kinematics Forward and Inverse Algorithm Module. Recollocation of Visual Development and Application. Intuitive Mechanical Motion Principle Structure Analysis. Equipped with up to 12A standard 24 Industry I/O interface, extensible developmental control independent programming. Rich and extension accessories, help explore personal application boundaries. Support myBlockly drag and drop programming language. Button interactive drag teaching open the robotic arm easily. Up to 1000 grams end load. 350 mm radius of motion. 1. Positioning accuracy assists your scene exploration needs. Check the box for damage. Open the box. The product manual. And sponge packing top cover, and then one of our robots. Adapters and emergency stop switches. Flat base and accessories package. If the material is lost or missing, you can contact the official customer service. Free replacement parts. Check the appearance of whether there are obvious knock problem. If there is obvious appearance problem, do not run the robot arm and communicate with customer service staff. Check whether the joints are loose, broken and other product problems caused by logistics transportation. If there is any loose or broken joints, please contact customer service as soon as possible to replace your robot arm. Select from the accessories required to assemble the robot arm: flat base, hexagonal wrench and fixing screw. Once the robot floor is fixed, it is necessary to secure the robot using a G-gripper or other method chosen by the customer. Next, the adapter is divided into two parts. One is the AC cable connected to the power strip. The other is the DC cable connected between the adapter and the robotic arm, and the adapter DC cable connector, and the emergency stop switch needs to be installed in the direction of the jack. Please tighten the fixing screw after installation. After the robot is assembled, please stretch the robot to the horizontal plane. Or lift the robot by hand. Do not stack the robot randomly and then power it up. Random stacking will lead to abnormal work of the robot. Gently press the circular switch. The switch will light up. When using the robot arm, understand that axis 1 refers to the base and the joint of the arm. Axis 2. Axis 3. Axis 4. Axis 5. Axis 6. After we receive the arm, we should note that the arm joint during exercise, the range of motion is affected by other joints. For this use it is necessary to know the rotation angle of each shaft must not exceed its own maximum physical limit. Do not touch the robot arm itself when the joint is running so as not to break it. Each joint has its own weakness. Gently shake can detect joint weakness. Interface introduction. DC/I/O interface. Type-C DC power input. DC/I/O interface. Emergency stop socket. Type-C. M8 aviation socket. Atom. Type C. Grove. This is the QR code of the factory-built program. You can scan the code to view the tutorial. This is an advanced development application QR code. You can scan the code to view the tutorial.